Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 on your PC or on your laptop. So if you start from Windows 10, it's very simple. You just update your Windows. You can upgrade from Windows 10, and Microsoft recommend you wait until you are notified through Windows Update. And if you're ready, you can try to update and try to upgrade Windows 11 from Windows Update. But if you want to clean install, not from Windows 10, there is a way. You can try to create Windows 11 installation media. You can click and go to the Microsoft.com download Windows 11 page here. So there is three ways you can use Windows 11 installation assist. You can download it, or I'm using this installation media. I'm using USB or external disk hard drive to create Windows 11 installation media. You can download this installer. So make sure you have good internet connection, sufficient data storage available, and of course blank USB or blank DVD. Ensure your PC has a 64-bit CPU. Meet system requirement. Here, using the media creation tool, after downloading, you can run media creation tool. If you agree the license, you can accept and select which media you want to use. USB flash drive, of course. Then you can go to the BIOS. You can restart your PC and go to the BIOS or UEFI settings. Then try to open boot menu, then change boot order to your flash drive. Then you can save and exit your BIOS, and then you can follow the instruction to install your Windows 11 there. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, or subscribe button below. See you in the next video.